Good day, Miss Abigail. How are you today?
I'm good, sir, madam.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I'm Abigail D. Musni, 24 years old. I am married with 1 kid. My husband is a vendor. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. My father is a barber and my mother is passed away. I am a high school graduate. I work as a homemaid here in Philippines for 2 years. Since March 17, 2010 to March 17, 2012. My major duties are childcare, 10 years old.
Can you tell now your daily activities on how you take care of the children?
Sir, madam, I prepare meals for them, send them to school, play with them, and read a storybook with them. I love children very much.
Aside of taking care of children, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
Sir, madam, I handle all household work like cleaning their house, including their rooms, and cooking meals for them, and sometimes taking care of the children when their yaya's not around.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir, madam.
What kind of dishes you can prepare?
Filipino dishes, ma'am, sir.
Can you offer tutorial for the children?
Yes, sir, madam. I can offer for the children is to teach them in a good attitude and how to respect the elder and how to speak in a right way.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam. I know the responsibilities of domestic helper is to maintain the cleanliness of the house and taking care of their children.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sir, madam, I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is a beautiful place and I want to experience to work at Chinese people.
And do you have any last message for your future employer?
I hope, sir and madam, to employ me to work with you, and I promise to do my best to serve you and your family, and I hope I have a chance to do that. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Are you willing to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir, madam.
Thank you very much. You have to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, kindly share your best.